Hey, how you doing? Ray here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So this Memorial Day, I'm out there working on the deck, power washing the whole deck and the stairs and the walls and everything. And now the sun's about to go down. I like to have a drink and watch the sun go down. So I was going to make myself one of those rum punches that I made. I made a grenadine in the last video, and I've been using it in different things, trying out. And I made like a rum punch that was really good. So I'm going to make another one now, and I figured I might as well videotape it and show it to you. Okay? So let's say I show you my rum punch. Okay, get to it, Ray. Okay. So this rum punch, I used a bit of things that were given me. Emily and Tom gave me a bottle of Captain Morgan White. So I put that in there. And Craig and a lot of my Canadian friends that gave me some Screech, some rum from Newfoundland, and I'm almost running out of it, so I figured I better show you before I run out of it. So, okay. So I'm going to have the recipe down in the information section down below. So if you can't follow us along in the video, please go down to the info section. I have all the ingredients there. And before I even start, I just want to get out of my system that I hope you would subscribe to me, like this, share with somebody, and definitely leave a comment. Okay, done with that. Okay, so here it's pretty much, I like to use simple cocktails, things you can get. Screech might be a little hard to get because Screechy said he got me back from Canada. So to begin, all I'm going to use is an ounce and a quarter of Captain Morgan White. I got my little shot glass measured out to 1 1/4. So let's just put 1 1/4 of Captain Morgan White in there. Put that in our shaker. Okay, then we're simply going to use 3/4 of an ounce of Screech. Screech is a rum from Newfoundland, from Canada. Yeah, hey there, up in Canada. Got a few friends that are from Canada. Okay. And then we're simply going to I took half a lime and I'm going to put that in my squeezer. Okay, then I want 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And I like the little Dole cans, even though they are sweetened, they're pretty convenient. Now, if you want to use unsweetened, by all means, do it. I mean, if you can get it, that's the best. Unsweetened or squeeze it yourself or whatever. I like to really shake them up because it gets a lot of the good foaminess in there. So let's measure out 2 ounces of that. Let's just do this one twice. Is that your background music, Ray? Yeah. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to throw some ice in there. Give that a shake for like 10-11 seconds. Put your top of your tin on there. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna throw 2 squirts of my homemade grenadine in there. Homemade grenadine is so much better. I mean, that rosa stuff is nasty. But this stuff is really good, man. It's like I'm putting different drinks in there. Hey, this is pretty good. So I made a rum punch with it, and it's pretty good. So that's why I'm showing it to you now. So I'm going to put 2 good squirts of my homemade grenadine in there. Okay? Hey, now also, I did want to mention to you that I did use a bit of Orgeat syrup. Now, I'm big on making your own syrups, and I don't have any more Orgeat. I have to ask my French friend how it said Orgeat, but I got some Torani sugar-free. I mean, I'm cheating. I'm using the store-bought Orgeat. It is much better when you make it yourself. I don't happen to have it here, so I'm just going to use half of your Orgeat. Use a 1/4 ounce. Okay, I'm going to ice up our shaker, and we're going to give it a shake for like 10-11 seconds and try not to make face while I'm doing it. think I went a little more than what I wasn't counting with. That's okay. When your hand gets cold, you're done. Now, the thing is, I could grab a Hawthorne strainer and strain this, but I want to use the ice in there, so I'm just going to free pour it. Grab yourself a glass out of your chiller. And it's a Guinness glass, I don't care. It'll work. It's kind of tall, but I'm just going to free pour it in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that half a lime out of my squeezer, invert it, and I'm just going to pop a maraschino cherry through the top. I don't know if I can do it up here so you can see. Okay, I'm just going to pop a maraschino cherry. Now you can try the Luxardo cherries if you have. I don't happen to have any. But you can use your maraschino cherry, pop it through that spent lime husk, and throw it in there. That's a good old garnish, okay? So my ending is, what I like to do is to drizzle some Dr. Bird. It's a really funky Jamaican rum. I like to drizzle a Dr. Bird on the top. In the glass, right in the glass. Okay. So we're going to drizzle some Dr. Bird in there. Dr. Bird by itself can kind of overpower drinks, but drizzle on the top, it's perfect. Now let's try it. Now let's give it a whirl. Oh wow, that was the one that was missing. Like I said, my friends, stay safe out there. Love each other. And I will get in touch with you, and I will see you just in time for the next round. I'll see you in the next video. See you later.